Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product in two column layout in product category page in mobile view in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see mobile view. We are in product page category and then you see one column layout mean one product in a row. So we are going to display two products in a row in specific product category page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So we are going to add custom code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now first open product category page. On left side you see product and then you see category, so open it. Now go to product category page and scroll down you see product and then you see slug. Now back to edit code. Now you see create custom snippet section open. So scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to target product category. Now you see function name, my body classes, and then you see category slug, ceramic. Now go to product category and then you see slug, ceramic. So you can add product category according to your requirement. So I added ceramic in code. Now you see ceramic and then scroll down you see class. Now you see my class hyphen ceramic. So this is our custom class. By using this class we are going to target product category page. So you can add class name according to your requirement. And now you see add filter, my body classes. Now scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save. Now go to code again. So this is our function name, my body classes, and then this is our product category slug ceramic. And now scroll down, this is class, this is custom class. By using this class we are going to target product category. Now you see add filter, so you can add class name or you can add product category slug according to your requirement. And after adding code we are going to add custom CSS. Now on left side you see appearance and then you see customize, so click on it. Now go to customize section and then you see additional CSS, so click on it. Now we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste, and you will find code and custom CSS in video description or in comment section. Now in custom CSS code you see media query we are using and maximum width 712, so you can add your maximum width here. And then you see class my class ceramic. Now back to code. Now in code you see custom class we use my class ceramics. Now back to custom CSS. Now here you see my class hyphen ceramic and then you see product and then you see width, padding, display inline, and then click on publish and you will find this code and you will find custom CSS in video description or in comment section. Now publish done and go to test size. So we are going to check. Now refresh the page. Now add URL. Now paste. So this is our product category ceramic and now you see width. Now add 500. Now scroll down you see two product in a row, two column layout. So this custom code and custom CSS only apply on ceramic product category. Now go to another category, menu. Now you see categories. Now open another category. Now scroll down you see one product in a row, one column layout. Now back to edit code and we are going to target another product category. Now copy this code and then paste here. Now you see function name my body classes. So this function name we already used. Now we are going to change it. Now you see my body classes. So we added one. Now our new function name is my body classes, and scroll down you see product category, and we are going to change product category slug. Now go to product category page. So now we are going to use candle slug. Now copy back to edit code. Now paste here. Now scroll down you see custom class. So change it. Now our new custom class is myclass-candles, and scroll down you see function name my body classes. So added one here. So this is our new function name. So if you want to use this code multiple times, then change function name. So if you want to use this code multiple times, so change first function name, then change category slug, and then change function name here. You see we used my body class function name before. Now we use here my body class is one. Now click on update. Now snippet updated done. Go to custom CSS section. Now we are going to add custom CSS again. Now copy the CSS and paste. Now you see class myclass-ceramics. So this is our custom class. Now we created new class myclass-candles. Now head here and then click on publish. By using this class we are going to target product category candles. Now publish done. Now go to website again. We are going to check. Now refresh the page. Now enter URL. So this is product category candles. Now change width 500. Now scroll down you see 2-column layout, 2 products show in a row. Now go to another category. So we added code in ceramic and candles. Now go to another category, plants. Now scroll down you see 1 product in a row, 1-column layout. And you'll find code and CSS in video description or in comment section. So you can duplicate code according to your requirement. Just change function name and then category slug. Just change function name and then category slug, and then you can change function name here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.